We see a lot of people that show signs of clenching or grinding their teeth. That shows up in the exam, and we help treat that by fabricating occlusal guards, or occlusal orthotic is what some people call it. Some people think of it as an athletic mouth guard, but it really helps protect the teeth from wear and breaking. So if you've been noticing some tightness in your jaw, muscle or joint pain, or maybe you noticed that your teeth have gotten shorter over time, give our office a call. Let's see what we can do to help you.